Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet star ornament. For this, I am using 4mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First take a yarn and make a magic circle. Then make a chain of 4. Chain 4 does count as our first double crochet plus chain 1. In this row, we are going to make double crochet plus chain 1. Make a double crochet, chain 1. Make a double crochet in the magic circle, chain 1. Continue to make double crochet and chain 1 7 more times. Make a slip stitch in the chain 3. Make a chain and cut the yarn. To start our second row, insert the hook into any chain 1 space. Pull up the yarn. Then make a chain of 3. In this row, we are going to make popcorn stitches. Make 3 double crochets in the same space. Pull up the yarn, insert the hook in the chain 3 and insert the hook in this loop. Pull up the yarn through the hook, chain 2. In the next chain 1 space, make a popcorn stitch. So make 4 double crochets. Pull up the yarn. Insert the hook in the first double crochet. Insert the hook in this loop. Pull the yarn through the hook. Chain 2. In the next stitch, make a popcorn stitch. So make 4 double crochets. Pull up the yarn. Insert the hook in this first double crochet. Insert the hook in this loop and pull the yarn. Chain 2. Continue to make popcorn stitch and chain 2 into each chain 1 space all the way across. Chain 2 and slip stitch in the first popcorn stitch. Make a chain and cut the yarn. To start our third row, insert the hook into any chain 1 space. Pull up the yarn, chain 1 and make a single crochet in the same stitch. In the next chain 1 space, make 2 double crochets. Two treble crochets, chain 3, 2 treble crochets in the same space, two more double crochets in the same space. In the next chain 2 space, make a single crochet. Continue like this 4 more times. In the next chain 2 space, make 2 double crochets. Two treble crochets in the same space. chain 3, 2 more treble crochets in the same space, two double crochets in the same space. In the next chain to space, make a single crochet. Continue like this 3 more times. Single crochet in the next stitch. Make a chain and cut the yarn. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.